Okay, let's dive right into this. You know, when you look at a green leaf, whether it's on a giant oak tree or just a little houseplant sitting on your windowsill, it seems perfectly still, right? Almost like it's doing absolutely nothing. But biochemically speaking, it's actually outperforming our absolute most advanced technology. I mean, plants operate with this insane level of quantum efficiency that makes human-made solar panels look, well, practically primitive. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're exploring the Emerald engine, the alchemy of photosynthesis. We're going to look right under the hood of this incredible, magical, glowing biological engine. We're exploring the exact mechanics of how life sustains itself by literally eating sunlight.
So, photosynthesis. It's the magical process by which plants create their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. We all learned that basic definition way back in grade school, right? But to really grasp the sheer genius of the engineering at play here, we've got to bypass the basics. Imagine we're zooming way, way down, deep inside the surface of a leaf, to a microscopic world. Inside the plant cells are these structures called chloroplasts glowing with energy, and tightly packed within those are these complex, stacked structures called thylakids. This right here is where the light-dependent reactions kick off. It's this ultra-dense, microscopic grid just primed and waiting to capture incoming photons the absolute second they dramatically strike the surface of the leaf. Now, to fuel this reaction, we start a phase I like to call gathering the elements. The plant essentially runs a highly sophisticated logistics network to grab what it needs. Take water, for instance. A plant doesn't just passively sit there and absorb it. No, it uses a process called transpiration to actually create negative pressure. Imagine a cinematic cutaway where as water evaporates from the higher leaves, it creates this natural vacuum. It physically pulls new water molecules upward from the roots, right through the flowing soil, up through a network of tissues called the xylem. It operates just like a giant invisible straw, relying on capillary action to literally defy gravity and draw moisture all the way up to the canopy.